Have you ever wondered why an alternator can suddenly fail, even when your car seemed to be running perfectly just a day before? For most drivers, the first warning arrives without explanation. The battery light briefly flashes on the dashboard, the headlights appear slightly dimmer during the night, or the radio suddenly cuts out for a second before working normally again. These small electrical glitches are often ignored because the vehicle still starts and drives as expected. But hidden beneath the hood, one of the most important components in your car may already be reaching the end of its life. By the time the engine refuses to start, the real damage has usually been building for weeks, sometimes even months. Many people believe the battery is responsible for powering everything inside a vehicle, but that is only part of the story. The battery's main job is to provide enough electricity to start the engine. Once the engine is running, another component takes over almost every electrical task. That component is the alternator. It continuously produces electricity while the engine is operating, supplying power to the headlights, ignition system, fuel injectors, engine computer, dashboard displays, cooling fans, power steering systems, entertainment screens, air conditioning controls, and dozens of electronic sensors, working together every second. At the same time, it also recharges the battery after every engine start. Without a healthy alternator, the battery slowly loses its remaining charge until the vehicle can no longer keep itself running. Inside the alternator is a surprisingly complex system built to operate at extremely high speeds. A spinning rotor creates a magnetic field, while a stationary stator converts that movement into electrical energy. Carbon brushes maintain constant contact with rotating slip rings, allowing electricity to flow without interruption. A voltage regulator carefully adjusts the charging output depending on the vehicle's electrical demand, while a rectifier converts alternating current into the direct current required by the battery and every electronic module inside the car. These components work together thousands of times every minute, often lasting well over 100,000 miles. Yet even the strongest mechanical systems eventually begin to wear. One of the biggest reasons alternators fail is excessive heat. Modern engines produce enormous temperatures, and the alternator usually sits close to the engine block, where it is constantly exposed to that heat. Over time, high temperatures slowly damage electronic components inside the voltage regulator, weaken insulation around electrical windings, and dry out the grease protecting the internal bearings. Every hot summer drive, every traffic jam, and every long uphill climb adds a little more stress. The damage happens gradually, making it almost impossible to notice until charging performance begins to drop. Dust, water, and road contamination create another hidden problem that many drivers never consider. Every time a vehicle travels through rain, muddy roads, or construction zones, tiny particles find their way into the engine compartment. Although the alternator is designed to handle harsh environments, years of exposure slowly affect cooling airflow and internal components. Moisture encourages corrosion on electrical connections, while fine dust acts like abrasive powder inside moving parts. Combined with engine vibration, these conditions slowly shorten the alternator's lifespan without producing any dramatic warning signs. Surprisingly, not every alternator that gets replaced has actually failed. Experienced technicians rarely install a new alternator before performing a complete charging system inspection. They begin by measuring charging voltage with the engine both idling and under heavy electrical load. Next, they inspect the serpentine belt for glazing, stretching, or slipping, because even a perfectly healthy alternator cannot generate enough electricity if the belt is not spinning it correctly. They examine battery terminals for corrosion, check ground connections for excessive resistance, and test every major charging cable for voltage drop. A loose connection worth only a few dollars can create the same symptoms as a failed alternator. Unfortunately, many vehicle owners spend hundreds of dollars replacing an alternator, when the real problem is hidden somewhere else in the charging system. The battery itself also plays a larger role than most people realize. A weak or damaged battery forces the alternator to work much harder every time the engine starts. Instead of simply maintaining the battery, the alternator must constantly recharge a battery that can no longer hold its full capacity. This continuous, heavy workload increases internal temperatures, places extra strain on the voltage regulator, and accelerates wear on bearings and brushes. Over months of daily driving, that additional stress can significantly reduce the life of an otherwise healthy alternator. In many cases, replacing an aging battery at the right time helps reduce unnecessary strain on the charging system, and may extend the life of the alternator itself.